quickly in this video, I want to show you guys all the whole MT5 interface. If you haven't installed it, just head over to your Google Play Store and search for MetaTrader 5. So this is it. I've already installed it. You go ahead and open it right now. You just have to accept the terms and conditions. Then you click on open an account. This should be a demo account. Yeah, you register. You just fill in all these information, whether it's correct or not. This is a demo account. You can use anything for the information. I will just go ahead and fill it now. I can just use anything and fill it. Then date of birth, you select any date of birth, but make sure it's above 18 years. Yeah. Then email, you can use one of your email. I can use one of my email here. Yeah. Okay, then I use one of my email. Then you accept the terms and do or you register. Okay, add phone number as well. Starting from +234, your country code. Then you click on register. You have your demo account. Now, they are successfully giving you a demo account with a balance of 100,000. I forgot to change the currency. I will have used the uh, I would have used USD, but it's fine. While creating your own, you just switch it to USD. So these are the currency pairs. All these here are currency pairs. I explained most of them in our classes. So the first one is Euro USD. This one is GBP USD. The third one is USD CHF, USD JPY, and so on and so forth. Yeah, they only show you the abbreviations, but all you have to understand here is that all of them are just why it's called currency pairs is because there are two currencies being paired together. Like the first one is the euro and the United States dollar. So, but they have to abbreviate it. So that's how all of them is. Yeah. Now, at the down part, that's where you see most of your the tools and on everything you'll be needing to place trade in your MT5. The first one, which is the quote, that's where you find all these currency pairs listed here. Then, if you want to trade a currency pair, or maybe you add a signal and the currency pair is not already in your quote, you can go ahead, click on this plus button at the top right corner, and search for the pair here. Let's say Euro JPY. I don't know if Euro JPY is there. You search for Euro JPY. Euro JPY. Okay, it's like Euro JPY is already added, but Euro GBP is not added there. You can go ahead, if you search for the pair, you add it from you click this plus button and it will be added to your quotes. If you go back to my quote now, you will see the last pair I added there, which is this Euro GBP. So that's that about code. Then if you still want to delete any one, like let's say it's now lengthy, you use the other button, which is this pencil. Click on delete, then select any one you want to delete here, and press the delete button at the top there. It will erase that one out from your code. So that's that about that. Then the second one here is the chart. The chart is where you do your analysis. That's where you view your the movement of the market and do your analysis. As you can see, the market is not moving because we are already on weekend. Like I told you guys earlier, the forex market only trades from Monday to Friday. Now I'm recording this video on a Saturday. That's why you are not seeing any movement. All of them are closed. They will now resume again on Sunday midnight. That's Sunday 12 a.m. on Sunday. So that's that about that. But I will okay. Then the next one is trade. Trade. If you place any trade, this is where you are going to be seeing your trading orders. From here, you can modify and add your stop loss and take profit and all the rest of them. Then this one is history. From here, you can track your record right from when you start both 6 months, 3 months, even up to a year. You can track your record. They will show you your transaction history, both your deposit, your withdrawal, your losses and profits. So that's that about that. At the message icon here, you that's where you get a message about news and some other insights in the app. Hence the forex market is already closed. I will just go ahead and add my synthetic demo. Like I told you guys, synthetic indices, which is provided to us by the Reef platform. Those ones, the synthetic market does not close. It's always on 247. So I just go ahead and copy my synthetic login details, and log it in on MT5 and use it for analysis and explain other things better. So what I needed to copy here is just my ID. Since my network is a bit like, okay, I just go ahead and click on CFD. I've already done a video on how to get your synthetic demo, your how to get your demo from the RIP. So this is mine here. I just go ahead and copy the login ID, which is this one. I've already copied it. I know my password. Then I minimize, go back to my MT5. Now I want to add down my synthetic demo. Click on this hamburger sign at the top left corner. I click on manage accounts. Now you click on this plus button, the plus button. Then you search for your broker. This is where you're going to search for your broker. For me, the broker is Deriv Limited. Deriv Limited. You scroll down till you see this one written Deriv Limited. This is for demo accounts. But for your real accounts, I think your you will see your ID is this one. This one that is written Deriv SVG LLC. That's the broker they will give you when you create a real account. But for demo, you can log it in with this Deriv Limited. That's where you see. Sorry, I tapped the wrong one. Select the Deriv Limited. Yeah, the server is already in demo. Yeah, so you just have to paste your ID, then input your password. But if it's a real account, you have to select your server. Your server will either be they either give you server 02 or 03 or the right server, depending on the one. It's always random. It's not always the same for everyone. So I just go ahead and log in my demo here. So after inputting my password, I'll go ahead and click on login. You see you can save your password. As you can see, the demo account have already been logged in, and I was given a 10,000 balance. If I should go to my trade now, you see the balance there. So that's that about that. Then if I should go to quotes now, you see the post. All these ones here too are currency pairs, and you can see that it's not moving because I told you that currency pairs is not on during the weekend. So I will go ahead and delete all of them and now add the synthetic pairs. I go ahead, select all of them, and delete. Yeah, I can't delete this one now because that's the remaining the last that's the last pair that is remaining, that you can't delete all of them totally. But I can only delete it when I've already added another pair that I will open charts on before I come back and delete this one. So I will just go ahead from here and add the synthetic pairs. So these synthetic pairs can only be found in this deriv platform, because they are just simulated. Synthetic pairs are just simulated, and all market they are just simulated market, because they mimic the real market. That's what synthetic is all about. So the synthetic pairs in the real, yeah, you can just search for them. Mostly they are volatility indices, your boom and crash, and the step indices. So I like trading the volatility indices. I will just go ahead in the sidebar and search for volatility. So I just go ahead and add the river indices. As you can see here, that you can, with this derive standard account, you can trade both your currency pair and your and the synthetic pairs all together in one account. Like even crypto as well. If you open crypto now, you see all these are crypto pairs. Then if you open another tab, uh, you can see your forex pairs here, both forex major, micro, minor, all of them. All these ones are where you find your currency pairs, or rather, you can just search their symbol at the top and it will show up. But what I want to add now, what I'm talking about is the rave indices, as you can see here. Most of them, okay, not even this, I just the synthetic indices rather. Yeah, you scroll down until you see these volatility indices. Well, what I trade on the synthetic market are these volatility indices, step indices, and I think that's all. On volatility indices, I trade the volatility 10. Okay, first, this 10 one is, let me add it, then volatility 10 as well. Then you go ahead and add the volatility, add 25, add 50, add volatility 50 and 75. Yeah. So I do 100 as well. These are my favorite pairs on synthetic indices. Then I will still go ahead and add step indices. I trade this, the first one, step index. So they are the major ones. You can all of them. Like it doesn't mean that you can't trade any of them, but these are my major pairs on the synthetic indices. As you can see, they are moving already, except that one at the top, which I told you guys that is currency pair because the forex market have closed. That's why you are not seeing any movement there. So I just go ahead and open a chart on any of these. Or these synthetic pairs. Let's start with volatility 25. You click on it, then click on charts. You see the charts will load up. The charts will load up. Then these are time frames. I will explain most of that when you get to the advanced class. So that's the meaning of those words there. That is time frame. So from here you can do your analysis in any time frame of your choice, 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, depending. So that's what that is all about. Then there are other tools. There are tools you can use to analyze here. When you tap on your screen, this thing will pop up. Then you click this one here. That's where you find your objects, the objects that you can use for analysis. These are the major objects you use here. You can go ahead and add other ones that you need. For me, I do use this rectangle, so I will go ahead and add it. I use it mostly to draw out my zone. Then I can go ahead and modify it because I always want the rectangle to be filled up. And just you long press on it, then click on this pencil to modify the look of that rectangle. I can come over here, click on fill, then select the color I want, change the color. I like using this light. I don't know what is the light. I'll be ash. So go ahead and check this box, draw as background. Then you go ahead and save. Now as you can see that the rectangle now is now modified. Anytime I add a rectangle, anytime I use rectangle now, yeah, it will be filled up. It won't be just lines again. So that's that about that. You can use it and draw out your support and resistance. Yeah, that's what that one is used for. Then you can as well make use of uh, the the trend lines is used to join two lines together. Yeah, that's what that one is used to join two lines diagonally. uh, then the next one is the horizontal line. The horizontal line is just a straight line. Can just spin it anywhere. Can either use it to trace the number at which you want to place your trade, or maybe mark out your support and resistance to your resistance or support level. So that's that about that. I think that's the major three. That's the major three objects I use here. Yeah. Then when you place a trade, you will see it here. Okay, let me go ahead and place one trade. And there are two ways to place a trade here. You can either come here, click on this plus button. If you click on that plus button, you select the pair you want to trade. Let's say I want to trade volatility 25. I will click on this dollar sign, then select volatility 25. Then I taught you guys about trading order. This is where to find them. If you click there now, you should see all the whole trading order. The first one is market execution. The second one, buy limit, sell stop, buy stop and sell stop, buy stop limit and sell stop limit. All of them have different meanings. In the advanced, we will be teaching you all of that and when to use them. But the first one, I'll be using the first one here as an example, which is the market execution. The market execution means that you want to place the trade at the current market price, and you can just go ahead and select it. Or by default, it will always be on that market execution. Then if you don't want to buy instantly now, you can now use buy limit or sell limit, because buy limit means you want to buy at a particular when price get to a particular price. Same thing as sell limit, you want to buy when you want to sell when price get to a particular limit. So that's it. But for this tutorial, you just use a market execution and just explain. Then this is where to put your lot sizes. I've talked about lot sizes. This is where to put it. If you want to use one lot size, you can go ahead and click on this plus button until it gets to one, or you just tap there and use your hand and erase and add any lot size you want to use, be it 5, be it 10, depending on your balance, or 0.5, anyway. But in synthetic pairs, all of them have their minimum lot size. Like this volatility 25, the minimum lot size at which you can use to buy or sell this volatility 25 is 0.5. But it is not so in currency pairs. Currency pairs, you can buy or sell it as minimum as 0.01 lot size. So that's that about that. This is where to input your stop loss. This one is for your TP. After inputting your stop loss and TP, go ahead and click on buy or sell. Even if you should click on buy or sell now, it is going to be executed. Then later you can now come and add your TP and stop loss when you must have gotten them. Like now, I can just go ahead and click on buy. Remember, I didn't do any analysis. I'm just using this for explanation. Once you click on buy, because it is on market execution, your market is the price will start reading immediately. And if you go to your charts, you'll be seeing your trade. Yeah, I just manually enter the trade. So from here to you can now click on your trade and modify. That's if you get your, so where you want to put your stop loss. Let's say you want to use down here as your stop loss. You can now take note of the number, then place another horizontal line at where you want to put your TP. Just take note of the numbers, then go ahead to trade and modify it. You long press the trade, click on modify. I think I've talked about this in the first video. Then input your stop loss and take profit. After inputting, then you click on modify and it will be executed for you. So the trade history is where you find all the information about the trades, all the whole trades that you have placed. Good, you can track your record up to 6 months, up to 1 year, to measure or to know how far or how good you have been doing. So they will tell you your deposit, tell you your withdrawal and your profits as well. But you can't withdraw directly from MT5. Like I told you guys, all the whole deposit and withdrawal is done in your broker, which is the Riv or your SNES account. So this one I added, this account I added here is the Riv one. Same way I added this Deriv account, I can go ahead and create a demo too on SNES for this video sake. Okay, let me just go ahead and create a demo account on SNES to show you guys how that one works. You just log into your SNES. After you have logged in your SNES, you click on this drop down button. As you click on it, you see accounts. You see them. You switch to demo. Then you click this plus button to add a demo account. You click on it, then you select demo. Same way you create demo is same way you create real account. If it's real account you want to create, you tap on real account. If you dem but for the sake of this video and using a demo account, I just go ahead and click on demo. Then you select this standard, or you can read the details yourself. But I think standard is the one of the universal one, because you can deposit a minimum of 10 USD. If you should go as high as raw spread, the minimum deposit is 500 USD. So that's why most people use standard, because standard you can deposit as minimum as 0 0.2. So go ahead and select that one, click on continue. Then here, your account currency should be in USD. Leave it as it is. You can go ahead and name your account whatever you want to name it. I might just name this one AZ. Then click on continue. Then here you create a password. You can use your main password, or you can create another password for this one. But make sure you use something that you can easily remember. So I just go ahead and create a password. But make sure you still meet the requirement of their password here. So I'm just choosing my password. You just go ahead and click on open. The account will be open for you. At default, it will be on 00 naira. That's how it will still look like when you create a real account. So now you want to deposit, you just go ahead and click on deposit. Then you type the amount at which you want to deposit. This one is a demo. You can use any figure you like, but for the sake of this video, I just add 1,000. You can add as high as 10,000, as high as 100,000. Even if you blow it, it's a demo account, they will still give you another one. Then you click on continue. Now $1,000 will be deposited on that demo account. Now I can now go ahead, get my details and log it in MT5. So for you to get your details, same way, click on this drop down arrow there, or yeah, okay, click on this hamburger sign here. Then you go to settings. Now here you will see your login details. Same way I'm logging in this demo is same way you do on your real account. So what you have to take note here is your server and your login ID. You just your server is something you can remember offhand. So you just go ahead and copy your login ID. Then minimize and go back to your MT5. Click on manage. Click this hamburger sign. Then click on manage accounts. Click on this plus button. Now, remember the first one I added was the Rave Limited, which is the first broker you're using. Now, this one is SNES. At the search bar, you just search for SNES. SNES. SNES, I think. Or just go back to save your time. Just go back, copy your server. Let's see if it will come out from here. Paste your server, they will show you where to log in. As I paste my server, you select this SNS technology now. Yeah, as you can see, it's already they are already choosing my server already. So I just go ahead and copy my login ID now. Copy your login ID, which is this one. See the person login ID. Then you already know your password. You just input it here. After writing your password, go ahead and log in. You can save your, I think there's a mistake maybe in my password. I will log it in again. So as you can see, I just logged in on that account. That's my SNS demo here. That's it. If I should go to quotes, all you'll be seeing is currency pairs. And like I told you, the forex market is already closed. I'm recording this video on a Saturday, and you can just go ahead, delete all these ones that are added there. Then you add your own the pairs that you'll be trading, because most of these ones are minor currency pairs that people don't often trade. Yeah, so you can just click the plus button now, add the ones that you'll be trading, maybe GBP, JPY. Yeah, you add, click on the plus button and it will add. You search for USD, JPY as well. you search for GBP USD, then the almighty SAUUSD is the short one for good. So let me just add this one. I don't want this video to be much longer, so this is how to navigate around your MT5. To I just want to talk about the MT5 interface. These are all the details on how to navigate around your MT5. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoy watching the video just as I enjoy making the video.